and you wonder where a lot of the e-waste is going to wind up. Mine winds up just as far as I can throw it every now and then. And my grandchildren get tired of me telling them, hellfire, I can take a Big Chief tablet and cedar pencil and figure out anything y'all can if you give me enough time. But it's an unusual panel, Mr. Chairman, and I really expect to get some good information from you. And I'm pleased that we're having a hearing. E-waste is the unintended consequence of a high-tech industry that's grown substantially since its beginning in the second half of the 20th century. And although consumer electronics comprise less than 2% of the municipal solid waste, it's really one of the fastest growing waste, I guess, streams, if you want to call it that, in the United States. According to the EPA, less than 20% of the e-waste is now recycled. Advancements in the consumer electronics field help create this growing amount of e-waste as electronics rapidly become obsolete. There are a lot of aspects to the e-waste dilemma. The definition of e-waste, the reuse and recycling of electronics, landfill disposal and hazardous waste, regulatory issues and economic economies. The complexity absolutely creates a vast array of opinions on possible solutions to the problems. And today's panel is well suited to help us explore the options before us, from recycling of e-waste to better design that will minimize the problem in the future. The House has passed H.R. 2850, which is a Green Chemistry Research and Development Act of 2008, authored by my friend Dr. Gingrich. I think this legislation was a step in the right direction, and like I said on the House floor at the time of its passage, advances in the research and development of green chemicals and products that will reduce the creation of substances that are harmful to our environment. This certainly applies to the problems with e-waste, and I look forward to hearing from the panel today and yield back my time, Mr. Chairman.